Matabay. You can do that again. It's yummy sweet potato hanging from your lippy. Ready for another bite? Look. Look. Boo-boo. What is that about? What is that about? Look. Here. Yeah. Matty girl. Why you gonna look way over there? Yeah. Ready? You suddenly don't like the sweet potatoes? You don't like them? No? Yeah? You not like a potato? What are you doing? You cover Mommy in potatoes. Yes. That's beautiful. Yeah. You feeling better? That's a pretty face you have there. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What are you looking at? Boo-boo. Oh. Yeah. Bear. Oh, back at ya. Matty Goose. Matty Goose. Oh my goodness, you're gonna fling yourself out of here. Matty girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm talking to the light. You could be all full of energy now that it's time for you to go sleepy. You sleepy sicky all day. Now it's time for you to eat and go to sleep, and oh, look at you. Oh, look at the baby. Oh, nice burp. Here, let's wipe off. Ready? Wipe off. You want to try another bite? You look very uninterested. Look. Matty girl. Oh, yum. Okay, yep. We're done. This is not happening today. It's okay. You're not going to wither away. You're looking at Boo Boo. Boo Boo. You're drooling a lot. You're drooling a lot. Goose egg. Goose egg. No eating is going to take place today. Okay then.